Hey, how you doing? Mike, Innovative Garage Door. This is a 16 by 14 we just put in with a window section. Last time the music was a little loud here, so we're going to redo the video. Just bring you inside here real quick and show you what we did. Okay. Got the photo eyes hooked up. Double end styles. 13 ball sealed wheels. Okay. Got the duplex springs up there. We're still going to put spring cradles up there because they're a little heavy and the top section's tilted back a little bit, but we got clip seals on. Center hangs, okay. There's the back hang. Alright. Right here. Everything's looking good here on this door. It's been in for about a couple weeks now. I'm going to open her up. Gonna make a little bit of adjustments. Hey, what's up? A couple little adjustments, but for the then we got it on a mid stop now, and then if you hit the buzzer again, it goes open all the rest of the way, and it is on a timer. So we'll hit the close button. That's it. A 16.2 by 14 CHI 3285 Innovative Door. 630-271-9343 www.innovativedoor.com. Like us on Facebook. Thank you for watching our video. If you're new to the channel, smash the subscribe button, hit the like button, drop a comment. Thank you for your support, everybody. Bless you all, and as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching our CHI 3285 door video.